Kobey left me with this. He wanted me to talk about it. I'm just going to pick up on some comments here. Stream has gone retro 80s quality TV. Sorry about that. I cannot be responsible for the MB. I wish I could be, but it's just not the way it is. Like Jeff said, it's probably TFG walking through the signal, and it's probably in half. G'day, Steve. How you going? Tony P, welcome in, big guy. Go for it, Painting and Anthony. Wow, that's a better picture. Well, let's hope that the quality is improved for you guys at home. I have got a brand new kit here from Hasegawa. This is something Kobey said to me before he left. He said, you have to show this. This is really cool. This is going to be really popular. This is a R32 GTR, commonly referred to as Godzilla. This is the first one in the series of the modern, well, I can't even call it modern age now. Would you call it a modern age Skyline?
Well, it's not a Hasegawa.
That's not
so that's modern.
It's not 50 years old. It's just 30 years old.
Well, we're 50 years old.
Do you?
Yeah.
Which part of you?
Well, only one part.
Well, you've got a 2-year-old knee.
Yeah.
How's that working?
Yeah. It's not. It's better than the rest of me.
It's the best part of you.
Yeah.
Well, everything else is worn down to a nub.
Oh dear. Have people been complaining about the video quality?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's something about you walking in front of the signal, Jeff reckons. Tony P's just taken 5 minutes to join us.
He emailed me, said, what do I care? I'm out in the shop.
Working with a shop full of people.
No.
The live starts.
No, it was just Tim.
Just Tim and then 50 other people. Well, when I drag car with him. So, yeah, so all new kit there from Hasegawa. I'm going to have a quick look on the overhead.
We're doing side dumpy pods.
Yeah, so this is a Group A touring car from, I believe, from the Japanese series.
Sky Bridges.
Well, we did have them here, didn't we, in Australia?
Yep.
And they did run them, probably different. And then they choked them until they couldn't win. Because the first year they came out, it was embarrassing for everybody, wasn't it?
They were just...
Well, four-wheel drive twin turbo light sports car.
Yeah.
Up against the Sierras.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what he said about this that I had to talk about was it comes with window masks. And what he likes about it is that you can actually assemble the windows into the body shell and basically assemble the whole model, leave the wheels off, mask the windows up, and paint finish it from there.
Oh, okay.
So, and that's
pretty cool.
And he said that's unique. The other thing he says is it has really, really nice Japanese quality water slide decals for the harnesses and stuff like that. Aren't they?
How the hell do you handle something like that small?
Tweezers.
He says expecting a filthy answer, but no.
Tweezers.
Yeah.
Tweezers. So apart from that, I don't know much about it other than I love it.
Yeah.
The end spec front bumper bar. I love it.
Can't go wrong with Godzilla.
Would have been based off of a V spec, what, 1994.
Yeah.
I reckon. Looking at it, beautiful car, beautiful model. What else can I say? There is other Hasegawa kits there. There was a 99 Mini Cooper, 72 Skyline, HT, you know, the ugly one.
Yeah.
And there's a TA22.
Okay.
That which is a really nice kit, Toyota Celica. Yeah. They're a good model, weren't they?
Oh, I like them.
They were good.
I like them. I like it.